It just may be one of the most powerful healing forces in the universe, and now it's attracting the attention of scientists all around the world.
We're talking about the therapeutic power of pure light. It's a power that drew us to the heart of Europe. The streets of Budapest still echo with the lives and legends of bygone centuries. But now, this fabled city may be making a different kind of history, because Budapest is the home to what some say is a breakthrough in the use of light for healing.
I used it on the severe scarring I had from the cesarean section when I delivered my baby, and only after a few treatments my skin became beautiful and the scars almost invisible.
Josephine Fico is talking about the results of her visits to this place, the Bioptron Clinic. What draws Josephine and others here is the Bioptron laser.
At the beginning, I dealt with laser light in my PhD work, and I helped Professor Mester, who treated with laser light leg ulcers.
Dr. Marta Fenyo is a biophysicist and inventor of the Bioptron laser. The Bioptron delivers rays of light that carry the full spectrum of colors without any damaging ultraviolet rays. It's called polarized light.
So I came to the idea that the polarization is the particular feature of the laser light which is responsible for the biostimulation. So this was the beginning.
Dr. Fenyo says biostimulation affects the membranes that cover each cell in our body. The result is accelerated healing. Mezeroshny Eberganie came to the clinic for treatment of a condition that virtually kept her off her feet.
My legs were so painful and sensitive to the touch that I used to have to pull up the corners of my robe and tuck them into the belt to keep them from touching my legs. I could hardly bear the pain. The ointments I was taking from the dermatologist were not helping. That's when I decided to come here. After only one treatment, I felt a great improvement. After my third treatment, it started to look and feel much better. I've had 15 treatments now, and think I will only need 2 or 3 more to be completely healed. Now it's all gone. There's no swelling anymore.
Dr. Fenyo has microscopically studied the effect of polarized light and biostimulation. This image shows a wound before light therapy. The surface is full of bacteria outside the cell. After treatment, the bacteria outside the cell has all but disappeared, so healing can begin.
1 year ago, I came to the clinic because after childbirth my hormone functions changed and my skin became very oily and I started to break out in acne. I had to go every day for 2 weeks and the inflammation went away and my skin began to heal.
Dr. Fenyo opened her clinic in Budapest in 1985 and has treated over 20,000 patients. And Fenyo is also experimenting with the use of polarized light for cancer treatment. She's working with scientists at a local university. The tests here involve dogs stricken with cancer. The results showed that dogs treated with polarized light before surgery healed dramatically faster than those who did not receive the treatments.
The dream of my life, if possible, to improve the quality of life of those people who suffer of the cancer, and this polarized light method could be, in their case, harmless and painless and very pleasant treating method in the future.
The Bioptron is in use for medical purposes in some countries of Europe, but in the US and many other places, it's approved for cosmetic purposes only. Dr. Fenyo hopes one day to be able to fund a major test of the Bioptron's medical properties. But until then, she says it's all she can do to keep up with the steady stream of patients who find their way to her clinic in Budapest in search of the healing power of pure light.